credit cards. They're your ticket to online shopping, travel perks, and sometimes a little too much late-night spending. But have you ever wondered how these sleek little rectangles of plastic or metal are actually made? Today, we're cracking open the process to reveal the tech and craftsmanship behind one of the most essential tools in modern finance. Spoiler alert, these cards might look simple, but the production process is anything but. Before it becomes the sleek piece of plastic or metal in your wallet, a credit card starts with its raw materials. And believe it or not, these materials set the tone for everything, from cost to functionality. Most of the credit cards we use today are made from PVC or polyvinyl chloride, a durable and lightweight plastic material built to withstand years of swiping, tapping, and the occasional frustrated toss across the room. Why PVC? It's cheap, scalable, and perfect for mass production. On the fancier side of things, there's metal. Premium credit cards up the game with materials like stainless steel, titanium, or aluminum alloys. These metals add weight and a sense of luxury to the card's design, making it not just a payment tool, but a status symbol. Ever felt like you were holding a mini tank in your hand? That's the charm of a well-crafted metal credit card. The process begins with sheets of PVC for plastic cards. These sheets are blanks designed to be cut down to the standardized size of 85.6mm to 53.98mm. Thank you, iOS standards. And are toughened up to ensure that they can handle day-to-day wear. Over on the metal side, sheets of the chosen alloy undergo precision cutting, creating perfectly shaped flat cards that are ready for their glow-ups. But here's where things get serious. Before anything else can happen, both the plastic and metal materials must pass stringent safety and usability tests. Why? Because these cards need to function seamlessly in ATMs, card readers, and contactless payment systems without bending, cracking, or causing errors. This is where science meets durability. Now that the card-shaped canvases are ready, it's time to give them personality. For plastic credit cards, the first step in this transformation is printing. High-resolution digital printers layer designs onto the PVC sheets. From your bank's logo to custom designs and color schemes, this step ensures every card looks sleek, professional, and instantly recognizable. The back of the card gets its own design treatment, complete with branding, disclaimer text, and those fine print details we all ignore. Meanwhile, on the metal card production line, things get a bit more intense. Metal cards aren't just printed, they're sculpted. Laser etching machines carve the designs directly into the surface, creating sharp, clear details that can resist wear and tear better than any printed layer. These laser systems operate with mind-blowing accuracy, capable of engraving even the tiniest details like microtext or logos. With both plastic and metal cards, the next step is layering. Plastic cards are constructed in layers to sandwich the printed design between clear protective sheets. This not only ensures durability, but also protects the design from scratches or fading. For metal cards, the focus shifts to surface treatment. Depending on the card's design, it could be polished for a shiny effect, brushed for matte finish, or even given a unique texture to make it stand out even more. From bold colors on plastic to the subtle elegance of engraved metal, every step of this printing and engraving phase is all about making the card eye-catching and functional. It's a perfect blend of artistry and engineering, where every detail is more than just aesthetic. At this stage, your card starts becoming yours. It's where that blank piece of plastic or neatly cut sheet of metal transforms into something personal, secure, and ready to use. The process begins with adding crucial details like your name, card number, and expiration date. For plastic cards, traditional embossing machines handle this. Imagine tiny presses punching these details outward in raised letters and numbers, giving those old-school cards their signature texture. But not all cards follow this route. Modern flat cards skip embossing for a more sleek, minimalist look. Instead, these details are laser-etched or digitally printed with refined precision. Metal cards, on the other hand, are all about meticulous perfection. Engraving machines equipped with high-powered lasers get to work carving every detail into the card surface with unmatched accuracy. Whether it's your name etched in clean fonts or the shining card numbers, the result is a combination of durability and aesthetic appeal. Now comes the next layer of complexity: security. The chip becomes the centerpiece here. Machines delicately insert these tiny, high-tech components into the cards. More than just a stamp of modernity, these chips are fortified with encryption, ensuring your data stays yours and yours alone. And then there's the magnetic stripe. This retro yet reliable method of storing data is hot stamped onto the back of the card. The stripe contains tracks of data encoded for use in card readers. Even in the age of contactless payments and digital wallets, this old-school technology serves as a safety net for older machines. It's the perfect blend of classic and cutting-edge tech in one tiny package. Think of this stage as giving your card an armor and a makeover. For plastic cards, this begins with lamination, a process that coats the card with a smooth, glossy layer. This finishing touch doesn't just make the card look polished, it protects the printed design, ensuring it doesn't scratch or fade when it's jostling around in your wallet. Metal cards receive equally careful attention, but with a touch of refinement. Their surface is buffed, polished, or brushed, depending on the desired aesthetic. You might get a gleaming shiny card, a muted matte finish, or even subtle textures that provide a high-end feel. Beyond mere good looks, some premium cards also go through specialized coating processes to enhance durability. These coatings are resistant to most scuffs and scratches, ensuring that your metal card remains a flex-worthy accessory for years to come. But it's not just about beauty. These finishing techniques mean your card is built to last. Whether it's fending off sharp car keys or sticky wallets, the durable design keeps them functional and fashionable. No card hits your wallet without passing through rigorous quality control. Factories equip their assembly lines with high-resolution cameras and automated scanners that check for even the smallest flaws. Every card is inspected for alignment, clarity of details, and proper encoding of security features. Is the text crooked? Does the magnetic stripe align perfectly? Is the chip functioning properly? Any flaws? The card's out. Simple as that. Once a card clears these quality checkpoints, it moves into packaging. Plastic cards are bundled into secure shipments, often meant to head straight to financial institutions for final personalization. Metal cards? They're treated with the care of a Swiss watch. Extra protective layers are added to prevent scratches or damage during storage and transit. Whether it's the mass shipment of plastic cards or the niche packaging of premium metal ones, logistics play a key role in ensuring bundles arrive at their destinations intact and on time. Some cards reach you directly after personalization and activation. while others are prepped and sent via the bank. Regardless of the route, the end goal is the same: to deliver functional, flawless credit cards ready to swipe, dip, or tap. Here's a question for you. How do you make millions of credit cards every year without leaving a giant footprint on the planet? Turns out, the industry is making impressive strides towards sustainability, and it all starts with the materials. Manufacturers are exploring ways to move beyond traditional PVC by using recycled plastics. That's right, your next credit card could contain material reclaimed from old cards, reducing the need for virgin plastic. Metal card production is also stepping up its eco game. Metals like aluminum and stainless steel often come from recycled sources, giving scrapped materials a second life as premium credit cards. Plus, many metal cards are designed to last longer than their plastic counterparts. The result? Fewer replacements and less waste over time. But it doesn't stop there. Leading manufacturers are experimenting with biodegradable and compostable card designs using materials like polylactic acid, PLA, derived from renewable resources such as cornstarch. While these innovations are still in early stages, the idea of a compostable credit card is definitely gaining traction. And then there's the issue of end-of-life disposal. Traditional cards usually end up in landfills, but new recycling programs are working to change that. Some companies now offer services to securely shred and recycle expired cards, ensuring their materials can be reused instead of trashed. For metal cards, issuers often provide prepaid envelopes so customers can return their old cards for proper recycling. Thoughtful, right? Even in packaging and distribution, sustainable practices are becoming the norm. Flat pack logistics, yes, just like IKEA, ensure that shipments take up minimal space, reducing fuel consumption during transport. And as for the packaging itself, many companies are transitioning to recyclable or biodegradable materials, swapping out those clingy plastic wraps for eco-friendly alternatives. It's reassuring to know that these tiny tools of finance, which play such a huge role in our daily lives, are also moving towards a greener future. With a blend of innovative materials, smarter recycling, and greener logistics, the credit card industry is proving that even small changes can make big differences. Who knows? Maybe the next card you swipe will not only boost your rewards points, but also help save the planet. Now that's what we call sustainable spending. And there you have it. From raw PVC and metal sheets to secure, personalized financial tools, credit cards go through an impressive transformation before landing in your wallet. The next time you swipe, dip, or tap your card, take a moment to appreciate the precision, technology, and innovation that went into its creation. Whether it's plastic or metal, every scratch, swipe, and payment reflects a process built on efficiency and expertise. Until next time, keep exploring the incredible world of production with us here at Production Portal.